A small wearable device could transform the treatment of people with sleep apnea. One of the biggest clinical trials of its kind is now underway to see the impact it has.
Well, it's thought millions have this sleep disorder, which is currently treated with a mask worn at night. Among them is Duncan Wood, a former journalist and presenter here at ITV, and Lauren Hall has his story.
Hello Duncan, welcome to the programme.
As a former ITV news presenter, Duncan Wood is a familiar face to many. But this isn't how we're used to seeing him.
Basically, I was a very loud snorer, and I also gasped for breath at night and then start breathing again, so that was a problem.
He's got a sleep disorder that causes his airways to close up when he drifts off. It's thought to affect millions of people in the UK, and this is how it's treated.
I stopped breathing 80 times an hour. Now that's severe obstructive sleep apnea. So once I was shown the graph on the computer in the hospital, they offered me straight away a CPAP machine, a continuous positive airways pressure machine, which comes with the CPAP mask, and I wear that every night of my life now.
CPAP machines keep the airways open and are very effective at treating sleep apnea.
Tell me a little bit about what's going on with your sleep.
The problem is more than half of patients stop using them within a year. This sleep expert who works in Wokingham told us why so many give up.
The trouble is, it's a big device. It's a bit ugly. Some people don't think they want to wear it during the night, and when they do wear it, sometimes it can cause dryness or irritation, or people can feel claustrophobic. And if the mask isn't fitted correctly, it can cause leakage, which means it's not really doing the job you need it to.
We're going to have here an ultrasound probe, and with that we can look at your upper airway muscles.
Sleep apnea not only makes patients feel tired, they have a higher risk of strokes and heart disease.
Stick the tongue out for me slowly.
That's why it's so important to treat it.
Relax. The evidence for CPAP therapy is very good, so this should be the first-line treatment. But if that fails, and in many patients it does just not continue to be used, then we need alternatives.
Could this be the answer? The Zeus sleep device uses electrical stimulation to prevent airways collapsing when patients are asleep. It's about to go through a major clinical trial, and initial results look promising.
From the first moment I put it on, it had a massive impact on reducing the amount that I snore and the volume that I snore at. So much so that my wife actually had to check on me, which she's not done for years. Normally I get an elbow in the back rather than checked on out of concern. So it's been an absolute game changer.
Eventually, it could be for many others too.
So that fits well.
Until then, Duncan's sticking with the traditional CPAP mask, and on social media, it's earned him a new nickname. Lauren Hall, ITV News.